On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a TECNO Camon 11 Pro. That's definitely not working. But what's working is that it's Christmas time here at TechCity, and Christmas came early, as you can see. I will be unboxing the TECNO Camon 11 Pro and giving my first impressions on that. I'm Charlie Wills. Welcome. I start off with a literal unboxing in the spirit of Christmas. There you go. So let's see what we have here. "12-month warranty, user manual, screen protector, extra casing, charger, USB cable, and earbuds. Now check out the back. The color gradient black and purple, or is that lavender, is such a beautiful blend and a major highlight for me already with this phone. See that reflection it gives off against the lights? Lovely. I would say though that the glossy material leaves your fingerprint all over it. See? Not so pretty. Then we have the fingerprint scanner, the dual rear camera, and the flash. To the sides, there's a volume rocker and power key. At the bottom, there's the USB port and headphone jack. We also have the speaker grill and a microphone. On the other side, there's a SIM and SD card slots. At the top, there's nothing, and so it's bare. In front, you have the front flash and front camera, and you have the notch. Here's the beautiful back again. I think it would be a great disservice to the phone using a phone case. Who needs a phone case with a back like this? And so I power on the device. I tried the face unlock. There's an unlock pattern, S for Super Charlie of course. I also tried the fingerprint sensor, and yeah, I finally set up. It took me about 3 minutes to set up, including the fingerprint sensor and the face unlock. Let me turn on the screen brightness. Quite sharp. Let's see what details we have on the hardware side. There's 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, 24 megapixel front camera, 16 megapixel dual rear camera, 2 gigs octa-core processor, and operates on Android 8.10 and iOS 4.1. You can either have the notch in display or have it hidden. And so I try out the camera. We know the Camon series is touted as a camera phone, and so I try out a few shots. There you go, and a top view also. Of course, my jingle bell had to feature and sit right in front. Not bad. Also, other modes in the camera include beauty, bokeh, panorama, and super pixel. These modes also apply to the front camera except the super pixel. Here's my recording of the video done. Unboxing and first impressions of the TECNO Camon 11 Pro. Here's my first impression. I like the color gradient on the back of the phone. I think it's really pretty. The apps and navigations are quite responsive, and the phone feels good in the hand when holding. I do not like the fingerprint marks left on the phone, and then the dual rear camera bulge at the back which rubs directly against the surface placed upon. In all, I think it's a good one from TECNO. For those interested, the TECNO Camon 11 Pro, from what we hear, is billed at about 76,000 naira. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Please let me know what your thoughts are on the TECNO Camon 11 Pro and the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and the review should come up shortly. I'm Charlie Wills, thanks for watching, goodbye.